From your point of view, what are the trends you observed in the data center industry?
The major trends is an acceleration of data traffic, data exchange with the Internet of Things, and this is, for example, today we reach 2 billion megabytes data in less than a day. So this is exploding, accelerating, and this is having a major impact on the data center industry. So if you look a little bit more accurately, you see that the hyperscale are dominating, are dominating, and will dominate. And they are still, carry on their expansion tremendously in all the continents. This is having also an impact on the co-location segment, which is still benefiting from the growth of the hyperscale, as they are also supporting this expansion. And what you see as well is within the co-location market, a further consolidation of the market, and also newcomer in different regions, in different countries, which are now going on an international level. On the enterprise segment market, you see that even if we say it will be decreasing, because most of the data center infrastructure will move to co-location, we still see development of data center infrastructure within this corporation because of data criticality or because of their business processes, which they still want to control, and also for security reasons. There is a fourth segment, which I think will change a lot the landscape, which is already starting changing the landscape, but it will really explode, is the telecom players. They are coming into the markets also with strong assets, especially on the edge technology, where they have the network and they just need to upgrade their IT infrastructure to enable the data traffic and to bring it to the end user or to the connected devices and so on. So here you will see a tremendous change, which already started. Potentially one limitation of this tremendous growth, and this is of course the fiber optic infrastructure, because this is also required, and if we don't have this infrastructure coming in all the regions, that might, let's say, slow down this growth.
So Bertrand, you mentioned digitalization. So what is happening in the market?
Digitalization is impacting all industry, not just the data center industry. All companies are facing digitalization, but also governmental institutions, in fact our entire society. So what we see is companies who are able to adopt the data technology fast, manage to shift from a product-centric approach, which is now old-fashioned, to a customer-centric approach. And this is key. And organization or corporation who will not manage to adapt will fail. They need to adapt fast with data technology. What we see as well is in order to manage this digitalization transformation process, they need to master or at least understand three enablers. One is mainly managing and collecting the data from the Internet of Things world. The second is the role of analytics, meaning the data you have collected, you analyze your business processes, your customer behaviors, and with this analysis, you identify sweet spots, savings, or even define new business models, new services. And the third, which is fundamental, this needs to happen in a secure environment, not just a physical environment, but also from an IT perspective. So we're talking here about cybersecurity. Why cybersecurity? because this will maintain or this will also protect the business sustainability of these companies or of this governmental organization.
So Bertrand, how is Siemens approaching this digital transformation?
That is a good question, Bernd. Siemens has launched large initiatives through all divisions. And this is mainly the implementation of a Internet of Things operating system that is called MindSphere. So MindSphere provides an environment for our customers to collect data from connected devices, from sensors, from business processes, to create, in fact, a large data lake. In this environment, our customers have the possibility to develop their own industrial applications, or together with Siemens, we help them also developing some applications. Like we have in the building technology segment, the Navigator application, which helps facility management companies to optimize their operations in buildings. With these applications, our customers are able also to develop new business models after analyzing the behavior of their processes or customers. So you have to imagine it's like getting raw data or a raw diamond that you analyze, or so you polish it, and then you can sell it either in pieces or in a big piece to different type of customers. As mentioned previously, I told you there is 3 enablers. I just mentioned that MindSphere is helping to collect the data, to analyze also this data, but the security is, as I mentioned before, fundamental, the cyber security. And we Siemens have a clear vision there and view that you cannot, as a company, cover this topic on your own. You need partners. You need even an ecosystem. So in order to create this ecosystem per industries, Siemens has also launched a charter of trust where we involved, of course, our customers, but also our partners, but also organizations, governments, different players from the society, so that you have a clear fundament on trust, confidence, and of course this is enabled with data technology.
Just to sum up, what are Siemens' main pillars in the next step in the data center industry?
Clearly, it's electrification, so helping to produce electricity and power and distribute the power in an efficient manner. Automation, helping in the IT world as well as in the facility management world, transparency in the operations and also optimization of these processes. For what? To enable, in fact, digitalization, which is coming on the top of it and is supporting by the two. How we do it? With good people, with technology, and with customer-centric services. And this is what we call Ingenuity for Life.
So thank you so much, Bertrand, for your insights in your strategies and next things to come up. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.